So, how to find the fraction of a number. Go ahead and pause the video, please. Work it out, and then and then come back. Okay. So, how many games would you expect the Texans to win over the next 2 seasons? Each season has 16 games. If they normally win 5/8 of their games, this is a little bit of a lie. They don't win 10 games per season. So, but anyways, so you have the 5/8, right? And that is out of 32 games. Okay. I did a little bit of in my head, 16 games per season. So if you have 16 in one season and then 16 in another season, you have 32, right? Okay. So the question is, what's 5/8 of 32? Of means multiplication, and you see how I just crossed that off with an X, make it look like multiplication, and then I turned that 32 wholes into 32 over 1, which is still the same thing, so they can multiply. So now all I do is multiply 5 times 32, okay, and that's going to be 5 times 32 will be 160. Okay. You can do it on the side if you don't believe me. And 8 over 1 is 8. Okay. I'm sorry, 8 times 1 equals 8. So now I just have to simplify. I can see that this is 16 and that's an 8. Okay. So obviously I can divide that and get 2. Okay. So meaning what that means is that 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. But then I have that 0. So it's 20 over 1. And 20 over 1 means 20 games. Because the question was, if they normally play 5/8, if they normally win 5/8, how many games would they win out of 32, which 16 per season? Okay, so it's 20 games. Now, that's how you do it with finding the fraction of a number. But you could have also done it as a 5 over 8 equals something out of 32, right? And then you multiply those two, so it works as a proportion too. But this is to show you that it can also work as a fraction of a number, 5/8 of 32. Okay. All right. Again, pause the video when you start working on the next one. Okay. And this one has decimals, so it's the same thing. Okay.